Every time someone books a call on our website or fills in this form, it gets automatically synced in our Notion CRM. So we don't have much work to do other than follow up on the call or just follow up on the form. So let's book a call now as an example. The Discovery Growth System, let's say 25th of February and 8:30 a.m. Company, it could be Nixie. What's currently wasting your time every week? You can write that down, but I will write now gibberish here just to show. Confirm. And the call is now scheduled and it's synced in our CRM, which I will show you in a minute now. But let's also do the form. Yeah, I can write that down, doesn't matter. Same here, I can write gibberish, click submit. Thank you for your submission, we'll get back to you shortly, which is true, we do get back shortly. Let's go now in the CRM. As you can see, everything's now synced in our CRM. The form shows us new form, the call shows us the call booked. We have the company details here, the source from the website form and call.com. The event type is form submitted, and the other event is the growth system that they scheduled. We have the email here, contact date. For the form, it also shows us the exact date someone submitted a form. And here is the most important thing, that we have the next follow-up date, which for the call shows us upcoming call, and for the form it shows today. We also have the additional notes and the meeting link for the meeting. The only thing we monitor is here in our action center. For example, the upcoming call shows up here, but if the date is creeping in on us, for example, if the call is today, here it will show the call today and as a formula, and it also will show up in our action for today that we need to do. Same goes for the form, it will always show up as today when someone submits, so we can get back as quickly as possible. And that's how we collect warm leads on our website. Fully automatic. For the forms we used fillout, and for the call.com we used make to make an automation between call and Notion, and that's about it. If you want something similar for your business, you know what to do. Fill in the form or just schedule a simple call. Bye.